Okay guys, we're going to be showing the other Tamarillo that I have. This is a red one. They also come grafted and non-grafted. So let's go and check this one out in the rainforest. Just finished watering as we're having a drought in Victoria. Really bad drought. Just finished watering and it feels like I'm in the Daintree rainforest. Thanks to the water. That's one thing that we're lacking in Melbourne. Rain during summer. Up in the tropics they're flooded in summer and we're gasping for water. So the only way we can recreate that for any success is to water. Yep. And here are the Tamarillos. This one's in the ground, the other one was in a pot, and it looks like this one will be the first one ready. Yep. This one I've had for about a year in the ground. I've grown a few of these before. They do work, but they need care. They're sooks. Sooks means sensitive. They need a lot of care, attention. You can't just forget about them because they'll forget you. So that's the Tamarillo in between the bananas, and they like the rainforest surrounding environment. They don't like direct hot sun. All right, over and out from the rainforest of Melbourne.